Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today is a really fun video and as you can see, this is such an interesting cat mold, and when I saw it on the website I just ordered it straight away. It was so funny and cute. So let's start. What I am doing here is I have mixed my resin already and I am using Let's resin here, and I'm just filling up my molds. I really don't want to overfill them. So after filling them, I am adding this mica powder just with the tip of a tool and just swirling it inside to create a effect. I have done this technique before in my previous video. I will link it above and down as well. So I thought, why not try this technique in these cute cat molds. So I'm just directly using the mica without mixing it into the resin. So the tip of my wooden stick is not touching the mold because I don't want to scratch it. So after doing so, I am using Let's Resin alcohol ink, and I get the best Petri results with this alcohol ink. So you can use whatever color combination you like. Just beware, use those colors that complement each other. Otherwise, it will get muddy if you are using just random colors here and there. So just try to do the colors that go well with each other. So what I will be doing here is I will be using different colors first, and then I will use the white alcohol ink to top it off. So I'm trying to add the alcohol ink really slowly in the mold because I don't want to spill them here and there, but really I love their alcohol ink. They are highly pigmented. So just keep on watching this fun alcohol ink journey. So when I'm happy with my inks, I will be using this white alcohol ink that's again by Let's Resin, and just I using one drop on top of these colors. So after using the white alcohol ink, I will meet you after 1 hour, and this is after 1 hour. After 1 hour, what I'm doing here is, with a simple tip, I am making some swirls inside the mold. This is the second day, and let's see how they turned out. I'm really excited to demold them, as these were so fun to make, and I am so excited. So these are a bit soft, but they are all cured, and so it's not an issue to demold them because I couldn't hold myself anymore. So this is the first one, and that mica has given such a beautiful effect, and anyone spot a heart in this kitty? So at the moment, I'm just remolding them. Later on, I will be giving you the full review and the close-ups of the textures and everything. But still, you can see here, this effect created such a beautiful fur-like texture of the on the cats. So it's looking super amazing so far. So also, please do let me know that so much talking, do you get bored, or it's really interesting for you, that I might talk a lot. I'm really confused about it because some people like talking and some people don't like talking. So please do let me know in comments that what are your suggestions. So again, you can see here such a beautiful color combination, and that mica is creating magic in them, some sort of galaxy cats. So what I'm doing here is I am doing my forever special, top coating them. So again, I'm using Let's Resin here for the top coating, and I really love their resin. This is my new favorite now. So slowly and carefully, I am doing the top coat here. So these are all done now, and we will wait now. So this is the next day, and these are all cured up, and the final results are here. This was from me to you, and I hope you like these, and if you did, please do let me in comments. Also, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. Take care. Bye bye.